How to check Twitter messages. Twitter, now called X, lets you chat privately through direct messages. And here's how to check them on mobile. So, first, go ahead and open up the X app. And then at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'd find this chat icon. So, in this chat icon, you'd basically find all of the direct messages that you currently have for your Twitter X account. So currently, Twitter has now enabled passcodes for Twitter DMs. So if anyone, not you, tries to access your account anywhere, they'll need to enter your passcode to be able to access your direct messages. So from here, go ahead and select that conversation or search for that specific user's username in here, and then once you have found that, click on their name, and then you can go ahead and send them messages from your account to theirs. Enter your message from here and then click on enter to send a message, and that is how to check Twitter messages.